All right, morning everybody. Welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here at Natural Transplants. We're back in the Bethesda office, and today we are thrilled to have Monte with us. Share, if you wouldn't mind. Well, first of all, I appreciate you doing this. This is great, kind of sharing your story with everybody. It does help. Share with everybody kind of what brought you to us, why you were seeking to do something with your hair.
Well, naturally, more hair is better for me, and over the years I've lost quite a bit. Mm-hmm. And recently I tried a hairpiece, and that was satisfactory. It looked really good, but it looked, what I think, too good, mm-hmm. and you could tell it wasn't natural.
Right. The area of loss here, kind of zoom in, and obviously significant thinning on the top. Coming into the crown, we have really good donor area, so I'm hoping we're trying for a plus today if possible. Scalp's a little on the tighter side like we chatted about, so we may or may not be able to get to the plus. We're going to do everything we can to get that because I'd like to knock it out in one and really get as far back as we can. Okay? Yes. All right. Sounds good.
And it just went so smooth. The crew here is wonderful. They tell you what they're doing every step of the way, and I do it again in a heartbeat.
Hopefully we won't need to.
Yeah.
I'm going to have you come in. We got a lot of hair today. We actually were able to get that third strip, which I was very pleased with. I was not sure if we were going to be able to.
Yeah.
We were able to get it, and it wasn't too much on tension. And you can see really loaded all this completely full. All these grafts, 3 to 6 hairs in each graft. The front row or two's got 1 or 2 hairs in each graft. This is going to look incredible.
I'm so excited to see the real results.
It's going to look really good. Again, the natural, that's really the whole point.
Yeah.
All right, this is Dr. Blumenthal back here at Natural Transplants. I'm in the Bethesda office, and I am thrilled to have Monte back with us. Monte, it's been a little over a year. You look like a different person, but I think it's really you. You look fantastic. Congratulations. I mean, how do you feel?
Oh, like you say, I feel fantastic.
Yeah.
My hair has never looked so good. I'm so pleased.
Yeah.
I feel younger. I look younger, and that's why I feel younger.
Right. Oh, you look incredible. I mean, we talked about it's a little bit thin on that front aspect here, but it looks natural on you.
It does.
In the sides, I mean, it's incredible that you got so much fullness. It really took well for you. I'm really, really thrilled.
I couldn't be happier.
That is incredible. You said no issues in the back with a scar, no pain. You can't really see it.
None at all.
That's great.
Not whatsoever.
How, if any, has it sort of changed your life and changed your outlook?
With better looking hair, it's like wearing a new suit out.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of my hair, and I when I go out, it gives me confidence, and I feel good.
And you mentioned that your friends hadn't seen you in a year. When they see you, they're kind of blown away.
I'm blessed with a lot of friends, and they all came into town for what we have a hair show here in Ocean City. And the topic for an hour was my hair. Everybody came up and they just couldn't believe the transition.
Cool. That's awesome. I'm so happy for you. That's great.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, if you wouldn't mind, just sort of look down towards your feet just for 2 or 3 seconds, and then look to the right for a couple seconds. And then look to the left for a couple seconds, and we're going to match up sort of the before pictures on there too. Fantastic, man! So happy for you. This is great. And any kind of words of advice, words of encouragement, any sort of recommendations for anybody that kind of watching?
Well, the most advice I have is I wish I did this 10 years ago.
Yeah.
It's what a transition. It just I feel like a different person. I look like a different person. And it's all better.
Yeah, so happy for you. That's great.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. You are kind of free. This is the last time we'll check in with you, but you have my cell phone. You can send us Christmas cards and pictures from the air show, and anytime you're welcome to stop by the office when you're in town.
Okay, thank you so much.
Awesome, Monte. You look fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, take care. Bye-bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.